Number 1. 1985 Ford F250, price $9,750, showing approximately 112,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission, a green exterior paired with a black interior, and is powered by a 6.9L diesel engine. The truck runs and drives well for its age and starts quickly in both summer and winter conditions. Over the past several years, extensive maintenance has been performed, with nearly every system either serviced or at least inspected, and a full list is available upon request. Originally a Pacific Northwest truck, it left the factory without air conditioning, which was typical for that region. The heater works properly. It is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission with a granny low first gear, along with a functional 4x4 system offering 2 WD, 4 high, and 4 low. As expected from a 4-decade-old vehicle, it carries the usual quirks of its age and is therefore being sold as is. The truck will also include several boxes of spare parts and a matching spare wheel. Number 2. 1971 Ford F100, price $9,500, finished in black with a tan interior, powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. This antique classic still runs and performs impressively for its age. The truck starts right up and drives well, supported by a strong running engine that has clearly been well maintained over the years. Inside, the cabin is clean and simple, though the dashboard shows some cracking that reflects its vintage character. It originally came with a column-shifted 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, adding to its classic appeal. The body remains straight overall, though it could benefit from a new coat of paint, and there are a few minor rust spots, none of which are serious. At more than 50 years old, this F100 remains solid and reliable. The trucks in this condition are increasingly difficult to find. It stands as an excellent candidate for a light restoration or can be enjoyed exactly as it is. Number 3. 1991 Chevrolet S10, price $10,000. It has a clean title, current registration through June, and has undergone a full series of upgrades throughout 2024, with the LS swap completed in early 2025. The truck has 73,000 miles on the body and about 2,500 miles on the fresh build. It is powered by a 5.3 LLM7 V8 from a 2006 Avalanche paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, and uses a limited-slip rear differential with disc brakes from a 2000 Blazer. Recent work includes a new battery, new fuel tank, synthetic oil service, updated gear oil with LSD additive, new spark plugs with wires and boots, an aluminum radiator with fans and new coolant, a vet-style regulator and filter, and a complete new AC system. It also received a new windshield, wipers, window seals, LED lighting, and a CarPlay stereo, along with a new bench seat. Number 4. 1989 Chevrolet S10, price $5,900. This truck represents a genuine piece of the classic truck era, capturing the rugged simplicity and character that define late 80s American pickups. Showing 100,000 miles of use, it's equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a dependable gasoline engine, offering the straightforward driving experience enthusiasts appreciate. Its burgundy exterior pairs cleanly with a tan interior, giving the truck a timeless and authentic vintage look. On the road, it runs and drives like a true original, maintaining that unmistakable old-school feel that modern trucks can't quite imitate. Whether someone is looking for a retro daily driver or a solid base for a restoration or customization project, this S10 delivers plenty of potential. Sharp, simple, and reliable, it reflects the durability and charm that have made Chevy's compact pickups enduring favorites among classic truck fans. Number 5. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, shows approximately 182,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, featuring a red exterior paired with a matching red interior, and running on gasoline. The truck is reported to be in very clean and well-maintained condition, showing no signs of rust and no fluid leaks, which is increasingly rare for a vehicle of this age. It is powered by a strong 5.7-liter V8 engine that performs exactly as it should, providing smooth and reliable driving characteristics. Additional details include LED lighting installed throughout, giving it a fresher look, along with newly applied paint that enhances its overall appearance. Number 6. 1983 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000, comes with a clean Texas title under the owner's name and current tags, and it runs and drives exceptionally well. The truck has been garage kept its entire life, leaving the body very solid with no major rust issues. The interior has been fully stripped, treated with rust protectant, fitted with sound deadening material, and finished with new carpet. It starts right up without hesitation, powered by an SBC 305 equipped with bolt-on upgrades, and the power windows are fully functional. A new battery has recently been installed, further ensuring reliable operation. While it is mechanically strong, the truck does have a few minor needs. It will require new tires, and it comes with a roll pan that simply needs to be installed. There is a small crack in the windshield, a ding on the front bumper, and the air conditioning will need a new compressor.
Number 7.
1998 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,000. This truck has approximately 259,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, a gold exterior, a blue interior, and runs on gasoline. Although the body shows some wear, the truck runs and drives well. Its Vortec 350 engine received a full fluid service in May, and both the AC and heater are fully functional, along with its 4WD system, which works as it should. The seller also includes a set of dually wheels, though the tires are unusable for anyone interested in converting the truck. These wheels can be included with the purchase if the buyer wants them. There are a few items the truck still needs, but all required parts are already provided. It needs a dashboard, an airbox, and the motor mounts installed, all of which come with the vehicle.
Number 8.
1993 Chevrolet Silverado, price $5,000. It has been upgraded with new lower control arms, 2-inch drop spindles in the front, and 4-inch drop shackles in the rear, giving it a clean and level lowered stance. The rear wheels have been freshly powder coated and fitted with brand new tires, adding to both its appearance and road performance. It also features a new steering wheel and is powered by a dependable V6 engine. The truck comes equipped with full power options and functional air conditioning, making it comfortable to drive. It runs and drives well for its age, offering a strong foundation for anyone looking to continue building or customizing it.
A clean title is included. Number 9.
1997 Toyota T100, price $5,000. It has 255,000 miles, runs on gasoline, and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a smooth 2WD drivetrain, a red exterior with a tan interior, and has been well maintained with a clean title. The truck is equipped with cold AC, power windows and locks, good tires, and is tow-ready, making it a dependable choice for daily driving or utility use. The interior is clean and comfortable, protected with floor and seat covers, while the exterior shows normal cosmetic wear for its age but still presents well overall. It has also been upgraded with a Bluetooth radio and microphone, allowing hands-free calling and wireless audio. Everything functions properly, and the truck runs and drives without any issues.
Number 10.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,499, shows roughly 240,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission paired with the optional 350 V8 engine, a combination that many enthusiasts appreciate for its durability and driving feel. Although the truck is currently not running, it still presents a straight and rust-free body. Finished in a distinctive turquoise exterior, the truck includes several factory features for its era, such as air conditioning, power windows, power door locks, and a rare factory tachometer. The bed has been protected by a bedliner for its entire life, keeping the interior of the bed in surprisingly good shape considering its age.